Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to craft crude torch in Hytale. As you can see, my friends are destroying that monster. What I want you to do is just come here and I want you to go ahead and open up your workbench by pressing F, and then here you'll see crude torch. Now for this you actually need sticks, and you need tree saps, and you need some plant fibers. You can get these by just punching on some trees and getting some logs. Any kind of log works, and then you get these items to supplement it as well. Then you just come here, click on crude torch, then you click on craft, and you can craft as many as you want. As you can see, I now have about 32 of these, and I can just place them anywhere I want. For example, I'll go ahead and place one right there. And that is how to craft crude torch in Hytale. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out as well.